Morning. I heard there were a lot of partiers last night, and you guys are kind of straggling in, but I'm glad you made it. This morning, I'm your wake-up call. So, in order to wake you up, you're gonna have to sing with me. Can you do that? Or should I say, will you do that? All right. Well, the song I'm gonna sing, I think everyone across the planet must know by now. So, here we go. You can start with a little. When the night has come, oh yeah, and the land is dark, and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. This is your part. And darling, darling, yeah, by me. Oh, stand now. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. I'm losing them. Uh-oh. If the sky that we look upon should tumble and fall, or the mountains should crumble to the sea, hey, I won't cry. No, I won't cry. No, I won't shed a tear. Just as long as you stand by me. And darling, darling, oh, stand now, oh, stand by me, stand by me. Whatever you're in trouble, won't you stand by me? Oh, stand. Oh, stand now. Come on. Stand by me. Stand by me. Why don't you stand? Oh, yeah. Stand by me. I lost them again. Stand by me. I'm going to make you sing now. Come on and stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand now. Who's my victim? Stand by me. Stand by me. Why don't you
Stand by me, oh, stand by me, oh, stand now, stand by me, stand by me.
Oh, give it up. Yeah. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Moses Namier and Mr. Richard Worman for having me here this afternoon, or this morning. See, I'm in a time zone too. This morning, and it was a pleasure to be here to sing for you all. So have a wonderful rest of TED City. I'm staying. Are you kidding?
Okay. Okay.
Take care.
Thank you, Simone.